Junior Detectives Training Program, created by Francis Adlin. The Junior Detectives Training Program is a 7 to 8 week multi-component program. It targets the development of social skills and emotional understanding. It's comprised of 4 components: a computer game, small group sessions, parent training, and teacher handouts. The computer game takes place in the year 2030. The player is a secret agent who specializes in decoding suspects' thoughts and feelings. There are 3 levels in the game. First, decoding how the suspect is feeling based on facial expressions, body posture, and speech. The goal is to recognize complex emotions such as guilt and embarrassment. In the second, identifying how cartoon characters feel in the multiple situations based on nonverbal and environmental clues. And in the third, they apply the above to virtual reality missions, like playing with others and bullying. Here's an example of a virtual reality mission. The junior detective is playing a board game with a fellow trainee at the Detective Academy. They feel frustrated at losing the game on their first attempt. First, they must label the emotion, feeling frustrated. Then, choose a coping strategy, such as think helpful thoughts and congratulate the opponent, yell at the opponent, jump on a trampoline, or punch the wall. Based on the coping strategy they choose, there is a different result. The individual must then identify how the other person feels as a result of their actions. Once Level 3 is completed, the junior detective graduates from the academy and is given promotions and gadgets for successfully completing missions. Small group therapy is conducted with 3 children and 2 adults. It's used for generalization and additional social skills and problem-solving skills. It teaches a formula for solving social problems and step-by-step guidelines for performing social skills learned in the computer game. This is all done through interactions with peers and role play. The parent training teaches parents how to support the program developments at home, for instance, using relaxations when the child is stressed or anxious, practicing social skills, and practicing also emotional recognition. Incorporating what is taught in sessions and in the game is what's most important. Parents can also monitor their child's progress. Teacher handouts include the outline of the program. This helps the teacher support the child with their new skills in the classroom. The program includes instructions on facial expression, body language, and emotion identification in oneself as well as others. It also has emotional regulation techniques. It works on recognition of emotions, appropriate ways of expressing feelings, dealing with anger and anxiety, conversational skills, identifying jokes and teasing, managing bullying, coping with making mistakes, ways to make new friends, and dealing with new situations. Children aged 8 to 15 years with high-functioning autism spectrum disorder or Asperger's syndrome can benefit from this program. It's interesting to note that using computers provides a less threatening and more controlled environment where the teaching and development of skills is highly standardized and predictable. The individual has the freedom of learning at their own pace and level. This is really helpful for individuals with autism spectrum disorder who have anxiety with unpredictable social environments. Those with autism often have strong visual processing skills and preference towards electronic media as well. Research on this program has found significant improvements in social functioning as reported by parents of children who have received the treatment of this program. Improvements in emotion management strategies, social skills, facial expression, and body posture recognition have been found. The improvements were found to maintain for 6 weeks and 5-month follow-ups. This program can truly be used in the classroom. Whether by a teacher who buys this product or by a family who has purchased this product, it can be used in many ways. For instance, used in a pullout where the child is taken outside of the classroom to use the game or to conduct a small group session. It can also be used inside the classroom if there is a computer available, where the child can use the game during a reward, a break, or a second activity after they've completed their schoolwork. This program should start at the beginning of the year in order to practice the new social skills, and it's great to engage peers to practice social skills with the support from the teacher. Here are my references. Thanks for listening.